All right, let's talk about this geometry of quadratic systems. This was a really fun lesson today in class. We are in lesson 9-7. Notice it's asking us to estimate. Remember, an estimation is just an educated guess. But in order to do an educated guess, I need to graph these things. Well, the nice thing I know is that right here, this is a circle. I know how to graph a circle. I know that since the radius is 5, I'm going to go 5 to the right, to the left, up, and down. And I know that this circle is like that. The next thing I'm going to graph is a line. So I'm going to start by subtracting the 2x over. I'm just going to make this equal to y. So I have negative 2x plus 2. And if I divide everything through by a negative, I have positive 2x minus 2. So this is going to start here. I'm going to go up 2 over 1, up 2 over 1, up 2 over 1, down 2 to the left 1. So I know that this line is going to go right through there. Now, where they intersect are my solutions. So I can pretty much look, this top right one looks like it's going through 3, 4 in the first quadrant. In the third quadrant, it looks about negative 1.5 and 1, 2, 3, 4, almost a negative 5. So I'm going to actually put negative 5. I think the book actually says negative 1.4 and negative 4.8, but that's my estimation, and obviously our estimations will be a little different. So that one right there is graphed for us. And we have two solutions. I have a solution here at 3, 4, and here at negative 1.5 and negative 5.